Establishing connection to MS SQL Server 2014 with django-mssql-1.6. I am aware that the django-mssql-1.6/readme states SQL Server versions. Supported versions 2008, 2008 R2, 2012. But, seeing as v1.6 is the latest version available, I was wondering if anyone was able to find a way to connect to an MS SQL Server 2014. I am trying, but getting the error message.
As far as I can see, you are using the correct versions of Django MS SQL and Django. I recently moved from 1.6 to 1.7 and had to change the DB backend since SQL_server.pyodk is no longer supported by Django 1.7. I came across this issue when changing to Django MS SQL, SQL Server_ado. The problem is you are using the wrong provider. Django MS SQL uses SQL-10 as the default provider, which also did not work for me. Adding an option hash to your DB config, like the one in the above answer, will solve your problem as long as you use the SQL-led provider. This is my config. Use the SQL-led provider option and it will work. Hope this helps.
Maybe too late, but if you're using Django 1.10 and you don't need to stick to Django MS SQL, you could switch to the Django pyodk as you package, which supports MS SQL Server 2014 and 2016 out of the box. Just try it out and it works in this environment. Windows Server 2012 R2, Python 3.5 Part 2, SQL Server 2016, Django 1.10.
Solved for me using SQL-11 provider. Please ensure that you are using Django 1.6 in Django MS SQL as 1.6 version. I've noticed that Django MS SQL 1.6 does not work with the latest Django 1.8. Here are my DB config settings which has worked for me.
If you want to see more, press on Schuberts streaming.